Good morning, children. Today I am going to answer of Geography chapter 2nd. Short answer from 1st to 4. You have to write all the answer. Children, the first question is list out the factor affecting land use pattern of an area. The second question is, why is land use planning essential? Children, the answer of first question is, land use in any area is determined by following factors. First, location and accessibility of area. Second, relief nature of rock and slopes of land. Third, the type of soil. Fourth, availability of water. Fifth, culture and technical development and need for the people. And last, infrastructure of the area. Now children, the question is, why is land use planning essential? Children, land is a natural resources of utmost importance to man and most living beings. It serves as a base of natural vegetation. It serves as a habit of wildlife. It supports economic activity like agriculture and pastoral farming, which promote us food and material for the clothing, mining and industries are connected with land. Thus we should utilize land with proper planning. Children, the third question is, in what different ways is land degradation caused? Following are the cause of land degradation. The first cause is land clearance, such as activity and deforestation. Second, livestock, including overgrazing and over-rafting. Third, inappropriate irrigation and overdrafting. And third, commercial development. Now children, our four questions is, state the factor affecting soil formation. Following are the factors that affect the soil formation. First, nature of parent rock. Second, relief of the area. Third, climate. Fourth, vegetation. And fifth, time. Now children, the fifth question is, how is water called? Renewable resources. It appropriate out of the ocean to clouds which generate rain falling on the land. Children, the water then runs into the river and dams where it is used and the waste is partially cleaned before it makes its routes to sea, where the cycle begins again. Now have a nice day. The next question will be solved in the next